All right, so I'm gonna go over how to change a choke cable on a 2009 Honda Foreman. This is the four-wheel drive TRX500FE. It's a pretty simple process. It's just a little tedious on having to remove quite a bit on top of the four-wheeler. So obviously, I removed the seat, removed both sides. I removed this little splash shield, took the air intake off, as well as this piece. Pretty simple to do. It's just a ton of push-pull pins that you have to do to get everything off. And I just do this basically. It just gives me the most visibility on what I'm doing. Next, I've removed two bolts here, one there, and then one back over there for the fuel tank. And then we'll move this fuel tank back here to the back. You don't have to unhook it. It does have two straps, one on each side. There's one on this side and one on the other side. Move that out of the way, and then you can really access this choke cable that's connected to this port right here. And I've already moved it, but I just want to show everybody what's going on. And then here's my old choke cable. It's sheared on the threaded portion in the middle. I think it's a pretty common issue. So I'm gonna go over here. I'll show you and moving the gas tank out of the way. Oh, one last thing I did, unplug the tank back here. There's a red electrical fitting. Just pull that apart. And then, it literally just slides out of the way. Okay. So now what this does, you know, your choke cable is plugged in here and it just runs all the way up, curves up around, and then connects up here to the top. And what you'll see on the end of your choke cable is, this is the new one, obviously. But what you do, here, let me, sorry. What you do is you bend this piece over and just take it off. There's gonna be a spring right here. You take that spring off, and this whole elbow piece will slide off once you take this this crimp off. Slide it off, put it on your new one, then put your spring on, and then put your piece here that goes into the throttle body. Basically, all you do next is just plug it down into your throttle body, screw it in. You got to be careful with this piece that screws in, because it's not the most robust piece. You screw it in like such. It swivels on top, around, and then you just literally just rerun it all the way back up. Actually, I'm going to do it on this other side. There we go. Go on the other side. So again, it's a fairly easy process. But it's not too bad. So I'll take this apart here in a minute. These two pieces, and then just slide it over this little part here. It is straight on one side and curved on the other, so just be mindful of that when you're putting it on. And really, that's it. And then now you just kind of move the tank back together, hook your electrical line up, put your two bolts in, put your straps on, and basically just repeat the whole process of putting everything back together. Anyways, haven't seen many good videos of how to do this. I think the only time-consuming part is finding all these push-pull pins on the side. There's some that are hidden kind of up underneath, like this one, that you get to do. And if you got any questions, just let me know.